Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the machine. Create a restore point and a full backup now so you can revert if needed. Next, confirm your Gigabyte model and BIOS version because Secure Boot requires a UEFI firmware and 64-bit Windows 11. Make sure you have an administrator account and a USB recovery drive ready. Once done, reboot into BIOS using Dell at Post. You'll land in the UEFI interface where the Secure Boot setting lives, so proceed to the firmware options. You'll now change boot mode. Locate boot or peripherals, then disable legacy or CSM so the board uses UEFI. This is required for Secure Boot to function. Next, set OS type to Windows UEFI or Windows 11 only because that loads the correct signature database. Once set, go to Security or Authentication, choose Secure Boot and switch it to Enabled with Standard mode. Save changes and reboot. The system will validate keys and signatures before starting Windows to enforce Secure Boot policies. After enabling Secure Boot, boot Windows and open system information. Confirm Secure Boot state shows on so you know it's active. If Windows refuses to boot, don't panic. Boot the recovery USB, use Troubleshoot advanced options to roll back BIOS changes or restore the system image you made earlier. If hardware or boot drivers are blocked, update your Gigabyte BIOS and device drivers next, because outdated firmware often prevents key validation. Finally, test key apps and drivers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.